Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the best products on the market. Today, we have something truly unique and game-changing for all you outdoor enthusiasts and eco-conscious individuals out there. This right here is the EnergyWise Premium Solar Oven, and let me tell you, it's the best solar oven you can get your hands on. Before we dive into why this solar oven stands out from the crowd, let's take a look at its impressive features and specifications. This EnergyWise solar oven is not your average camping cooker. It's designed with a focus on convenience, efficiency, and sustainability. Here are some key features that make it the best in the market. This solar oven is not only portable but also incredibly sturdy. It's foldable and comes with a convenient carry bag, making it perfect for camping and outdoor adventures. Plus, it's designed to stay in shape, thanks to its reinforced bill. You'll be amazed at the amount of cookware you can fit inside this portable cooker. It's spacious enough to feed a whole family or a group of friends, making it ideal for outdoor gatherings. This solar oven can reach temperatures of up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit in the right conditions. That means you can cook a wide range of foods, or even use it as a solar water heater. It's versatile and efficient. To retain heat effectively, this solar cooker features reinforced foam inside reflective metal and a transparent PVC lid. It also has zippers and an outer Oxford cloth finish. Plus, it all folds neatly into the included carry bag. When you purchase this solar oven, you'll receive a printed guide on the fundamentals of solar cooking. It's perfect for beginners and comes complete with beginner-friendly solar oven recipes to get you started on your outdoor cooking journey. Now, let's take a look at what customers have to say about the EnergyWise Premium Solar Oven. As you can see from these reviews, many customers are loving the versatility and convenience of this solar oven. It's great for heating up food, slow cooking, and so much more. But why choose solar cooking in the first place? Well, solar cooking is an eco-friendly method that uses sunlight as the primary source of fuel. With this solar oven, you're not dependent on electricity, gas, firewood, or charcoal. Plus, it's smoke-free, making it an excellent choice for areas with no burn restrictions. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that solar cooking is more like a slow cooker than a regular oven. It requires some patience, but the results are worth it. Plan ahead, monitor the oven temperature, and you'll enjoy delicious meals cooked with renewable energy. To sum it up, the EnergyWise Premium Solar Oven is the best choice for eco-conscious campers and outdoor enthusiasts. It's portable, efficient, and comes with a free outdoor cooking guide to get you started. Plus, it's a step towards a greener, more sustainable future. That's it for today's review of the EnergyWise Premium Solar Oven. If you're interested in reducing your carbon footprint while enjoying delicious outdoor meals, this is the product for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews, and leave us your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay eco-friendly and enjoy your outdoor adventures with the best solar oven on the market.